Big thinking shit up blood clot. Ticky. Eh? Girl, you have to run go for blood clot. Ticky when Jaden shit up on your drunk crow. Jaden don't shit on your dog shit. Jaden don't shit in your blood clot mouth. Come suck my blood clot rotten teeth. I that me want to know if you do. I want to feel like 3 pound blood clot 1. I that my blood clot call that. 3 pound blood clot 1. I that my blood clot call that. You hear me tell you? No real pan this blood clot. No. No your water now come out of me eye. I swear to the Almighty God that now come out tonight.
Annie, cuss them blood clot, cuss them. Every one of them, every woman pussy blood clot, one of them cuss them.
That me I do. I mean our blood clot is though.
Cuss out them who bumble blood clot.
Right? Me don't want a friend from no blood clot body. You try blood clot, know that. You see me? Right? Me they move them woman blood clot and go. Right? Big thinking blood clot ticky. You get what me I say? Look a thinking girl if you run go for blood clot ticky if you come attack me. Deep wall blood clot easy body blood clot ticky. Ugly blood clot ticky. Eh? Go suck your blood clot mother. Jaden shit in your blood clot mouth, Jankro. Jaden use your blood clot mouth for toilet, bitch. Yeah, I'm tell you something, Jabass. You see, Dee? I swear to God, more and Dee avoid me. Can you see what pa mix up and the what pa styling thing, brother? Yo, brother, Dee, I see you. You better go blood clot one side in a B. I that me I tell you because you know blood clot real. You hear me tell you? I'm me alone against the blood clot world.
Annie, when do Annie? When do?
Dee giant eyed. She don't talk already. She says she don't never have my back. I listen to your bridging. And Dee giant up blood clot over there. And send me request. And when the whole of them blood clot take me and Dee and Miguel, you know like some little blood clot pitney.
What on it?
If they know say you're her, take a side and go one side and make me attack them then. Why fuck you go join in over there? You give me, you understand me? I in a Miguel like some big old blood clot Satan. Me and you could never be blood clot friend. One, two, man. Me deal with some killer, I know. Me not deal with blood clot friend killer.
I mean, if you have Annie back, what you tell me, sir? If you have blood clot Annie back, what you say to me?
Dee tell me straight up, she said she never take up for me. Dee tell me so when she ready, she gonna make a video for me. That not sound like nobody is a friend to me. Me and no blood clot eat that Jabass. This girl I go, she go over there, and with them she depend. You get me? And you know in a person egg on the word blood clot thing. Jabass and me alone and me take on the word blood clot of them. And that me a blood clot tell you. Big thinking word big C.
As a warrior. As a blood clot warrior.
Thinking blood clot big C. Stretch out word blood clot big C. And she me a blood clot tag. The man fuck her and left her and duck her. Or the blood clot you come put your problem for me. You now blame blood clot Jaden for coming in your blood clot mouth. But you want come blame me drunk crow. Eh? Cocky blood clot watchdog. Or the blood clot you come blame me. You're bleaching a blood clot night Joe for Jaden cocky. And Jaden still no want your bitch. So the blood clot you come off of me. You see that one here? Yo, you see that one here, Jabass? I mean you this is
a pussy a boy ever deal like a shut up your mouth, you know. A boy ever deal like a class, a boy a Judah. A boy a badness and take a pussy.
We never class.
A boy ever deal like a class and come and section. A pussy old boy.
Don't tell no fucking lie for me, brother. We never get up and class my one a fucking mother.
Everything
good. Me see
brother, on two things can make people make.
And me see comment, man. Me see comment.
You really think would I get up and class?
And if people make comment and say, if I saw that so, what you let me if you say?
Brother, me then talk about mommy and me tag the fucking girl when me did that talk about. Me tag her.
Jabass, what are all of the family? You ever see none of them turn up and come together and make a fight for one another?
Oh.
You ever see none of them come together and make a fight for one another?
Yeah, fuckery. And that you blood clot, see.
You're going to tell me something if you go over big field. Unite your blood clot, girl. None of them ever say, yo, make we turn up with one another and stand up against them.
No, they run up on. No, they run up on.
Me turn up with you. Me tell you, say, me and I cussy type, bro. Me now go the pan live a chase with no girl when me don't know about. What me don't know about, bro. Me don't know about the girl. Me say she have transmission, she
Hey,
give a
I will tell you
transmission
any
and this
more
and
blood
that.
clot things.
And
Paint on blood
One
clot
no
match.
want me fi say, me no
Paint
know
on
about
blood
the
clot
girl, brother.
match.
One no want
Jaden
me fi
use it
do.
like I use blood clot condom. I don't give a fuck what you want, or no know. What you talk
What
about?
you want me fi do?
Better come off of this blood clot and go from here, so. All you two.
Brother, me a fight.
Suck your blood clot, mother.
One
You
tricky say
not
if you jump
driving
off of
anything.
that, no. One tricky. Jump off of that, no. He wing off it in there, so. You don't jump off yet?
Me jump off, but what happened?
You mean by what happened? Where you over there? Are we over there going with?
Listen.
Me come over and beg for blood clot Annie. I tell Sticky them to leave Annie alone. Annie, come on and argue with Sticky. Me there first say you're Sticky, Annie win you. Annie gone over live and cross. What's the fucking
Move up in
I'm here Annie for
the
one
blood
night.
clot set up. Remember me tell you. Everything good, man. We don't see style already on the chop. Yeah.
I'm me there for one life with Annie.
But the woman keep on in.
Aye, calm down, man. Listen what me I say. Listen what me I say now. Listen what me I say. Annie me blood clot set. Me no business wet them a cuss board. Annie me say. Annie are my friend. It no matter who different.
But Annie keep on argue with me for no reason. So me now go pick her side. Cause me go look like
so you tell Annie say.
I don't want you to pick my side.
Oh, calm down, Annie, calm down, Annie, calm down. Oh, you tell Annie say, you not gonna have her back, you make a video about her. What kind of style him? What kind of Judas flavor him?
Let me tell you.
Alright, me calm. It's when you drink, I saw you go on. You need to stop that.
Listen up, me know me that drink, but listen now, listen, babe, listen. Y'all listen now.
Yeah.
Annie keep on attack me for no reason, and I don't get it. Me know what me do, Annie. See, me come over here, you know,
you move like a me. You move like a hypocrite. And you cannot move like a hypocrite with Annie there. You have to just know, say, you pick your side. You have to pick your blood clot side. So you see that blood clot either.
But the lady keep on attack. Babes, me go over there now, hear me now.
So,
they tell me say Annie are coming up, me over there now, Annie are say, we are not tapping eyes on
If Tiki get look at clothes. Don't tell me that, you know. If Tiki get beside clothes,
let me
no
talk,
problem.
yeah, talk,
But
my
turn. Me no want big things in Rosalie in the
go over there, Annie are big Tiki and Big C step rest, Annie. Them a see Annie are trouble, Big C, so Tiki come and cuss the Big C, cause Tiki say, Big C don't have nobody, Annie have a whole tribe.
You can't tell me
so me go over there now and beg Annie. Annie come over there now, and when Annie left, me not say Annie a win the war. Me say Annie win the war, you know. Then they must say me can't say me fake, Annie me fake, one bag of fuck. Amika fake, because Mika fake your cuss your blood clot, mother. Amika make Annie not the
Jabass, you want? Jabass, no respect.
Annie, but Mika say me fake.
Who for side of the pan?
Jabass, no respect. Yeah, big man thing. Okay, you see me no want this girl, yeah. You know, you think me no know hypocrite? You think me no know blood clot hypocrite? Me know blood clot hypocrite when me say one. You's a hypocrite. No matter how no one come chat about me know blood clot hypocrite when me say one girl. You see when me say me have people back, me have them blood clot back. You's a hypocrite. See everything where you do be. You more stay over here, so. You hear me tell you? Mama stay right here so by myself. You's a blood clot hypocrite. Remember me tell her that I don't need no now uno for blood clot fight for me. Right blood clot this now. I can't put up here because my phone on charge. Everything good, man. Yeah, man, I cool myself. I cool myself.
I you know, so you can add the chatters them, make we deal with them to fear. You know, have to depend on family girl. You can add the chatters them, make we deal with them too.
True. True, mama. For real.
Yeah, add the chatters. We back here. Yeah.
Now blood clot where you call him, mama. But for real, more while me never try for even priest me I go get to involved in it. You get what me I say? Right? Me not lie to you.
Girl, make we angle them. Add we girl. Add we. Are you in the war? 2 pound 1? That no fear.
2 pound blood clot 1. You see me? The girl have a blood clot team up. The girl have a blood clot team up and run go for your body.
The group badness. We don't do group badness. And you know, see if you add the chatters, then make we angle the badness for you.
You see, because me know blood clot say me a girl me step out and war everybody. I saw me stay.
Annie.
Me just walk out and war every moment blood clot body and no care.
Annie, me have
I three a blood clot them got to me see Dina with me.
Annie, me have one thing for say still, you know. Cause me dey on the live and me a watch, you know. When a spotlight time, a whole of your family come out. And when a time for war, you alone.
Me alone blood clot tonight.
Militant.
Straight.
So guess what? Me not lie. Your family should have, and no, we should have seen the Ants family.
And now you should have seen the whole Ants
we
unit.
should have seen it. Yeah.
Eh?
Everybody back
blood
on.
clot. Bread and go talk about no, don't answer them. And next the whole of them blood clot back down. What blood clot of them back down?
And they start running upon them like a mad ants.
Eh?
Run left blood cleat you.
Tell me alone in it to blood.
I don't give a fuck.
Annie can't cross me.
Me no give a fuck who want cuss me, say me no cuss with them. Me no give a fuck. When the deaf,
because my mama never sell
me no
me.
care.
My mama never sell me.
I don't give a
no
fuck.
boy.
If you want class D, no class D.
Me no care. Who want cuss me no care.
So at the end of the day, I'm just going to reach in there. Of course, I'm not going to reach in there because at the end of the day, Big C and my friend and Annie should reach.
I just brush my teeth and kill Annie. So I just silent and I brush my teeth just so. Brush my teeth.
Me no care. Come like on the desk, me no fucking care. Me no care. Me no care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't give a fuck. Me not cuss for no fucking body. Me never fuck Jaden yet. Jaden no put one to me and Jaden on a bumbuckler relationship. Me company fucking me that like me I eat that for Jaden. Make me come blood clot big figure cuss over them bumbuckler man. Think you coming out because I need to take you up on our blood clot head. Me come cuss for your bumbuckler mother. Because she put her mother in this blood clot mess. So I tell you over there say me blood clot fake. She become blood clot argue with bumbuckler big C. I come out from a blood clot back.
Call Rose invitation.
What the fuck could I take this far? Look at about that fuck with the bumbo class stay with me tonight, you know, because I put on my pussy at time. I don't want to take it up. Leave me alone. Tiki, me go over there, see Tiki. And I said to Annie, say, call out your tribe. Mika, Anna, Draga, Amek, Eldin, and one of them come cuss, blood clot, Tiki, and Big C for you. Tiki, me say something wrong? No. Because of them, you always accompany bumbo clap, come defend. Everything I mean in them life, you come defend them. So make them and you argue. You don't mix me bomb up pussy ras clap. Me not fi cuss for nobody if me not feel like more cuss for no blood clap body. What the fuck would you think this for? You see Ariana, where me bomb clap picking them name? Them are they over here, you know? So me not fi cuss you more pussy bomb ras clap over this. Oh, fuck gonna sell with me, huh? Me not cuss for no fucking body. Because people don't listen and class me the other day. And me not do nobody bumbo clan. I never deserve that the class in there. So me not bring down myself in no fucking body. And me don't talk. Me over here say bumbo clan tell her Tiki say you win the war. Me I tell Big C say you can't cuss. And me I tell Tiki say you win the bumbo clan war. And me come over here like while I say Tiki and Big C on the rest blood clot Annie. Oh me never defend bumbo clan yo. Oh me never defend yo. Man, apart from a blood clot,
But even me ask you a question,
blood clot back girl.
Mark, a question.
Who you talk to? Me
No,
or
you.
Tiki?
Me wanna put my difference aside tonight with that up there, so we're not gonna argue a different case.
That in your pussy. That in your hole.
I'm mute you.
That in your hole.
Chatting, miss.
That in your hole, blood clot.
Come on, question.
That in your hole, me never know if the stone tried in the past.
Tiki, let me hear you.
That in your hole, me never know if the stone tried in the past.
Tiki,
That you with the blood clot. Me never know if the past. That come by you combo me.
For me, yeah.
Tiki, make me hear now. Make me hear she come with no beer.
And I'm here segment no miss. So all I know, Big C. So Jaden fuck me can't say I'm green.
Uno can't done
Yes, sir.
Jaden fuck me can't say I'm green.
I never harm him, sir.
Are all?
Him just say she smell away.
It can be all.
Rosalie, don't bother with it, Rosalie. Can you see here's another one, you know? Don't bother with it, you know, Rosalie.
Come on, ask you.
Behave yourself, you know, Rosalie.
Question. Woman to woman. If a man fuck your D, a man that fuck a woman, I throw the beer and drink it. A man that fuck a woman and come and describe them about scent. Is that a man? Okay, thank
That's
you.
not a man. And these females don't deserve that. At the time when they are cussing each other, it's one of them people fight for man Tiki.
Pussy nicer than your pussy. Is that
Listen.
man?
Where's the ticket?
Where question go?
Leave Jaden out of it
Tiki?
because at the end of the day, no insert now. Because at the end of the day, what Jaden do now, Missy Jakes do what's another time 1 week after you end up in
What Jakes do?
You're a man.
What Jakes do?
Go bring a name to Colin
Jesus
Ashley.
Christ.
What Jakes do?
Tiki.
Go bring a name to Colin Ashley where you find in a phone and you come for TikTok or find in a phone.
Tiki. Me and
Yes.
Kesa for me at 20.
Well,
How
no
long
matter.
you man them there?
All right, now watch you how long they there.
You don't know what
Listen
are you
to me.
talking about?
You're
We're
incredible.
done.
Missy man and woman,
I
they
don't
find it
talk to
now
it done.
and it's strong.
I don't
And
talk to
people have
done.
people that
You're
find them at
done.
2 weeks, 3
You
weeks,
are
and that's
done.
stronger.
You're done. Ask the if you're.
And you bright and the two of you work same
I'm not
place.
argue with you
So what
because
the
you're done.
sense?
I'm not argue
You
with
bright
you.
and
So
the
don't
two of you
like
work
to
same
chat
place.
and make noise.
What kind of
Ask
chat
the,
and make noise?
ask the. If Jelani never did back, they would woman should take him back as her husband. You don't
So
know what
Jaden
his family.
know. You're not
You don't
listen
know
to
when
me.
people
You're not
create
sure
family.
Jaden
You
sister.
don't know woman
You're not
create
sure
family in a
Jaden
fixed
sister.
family.
Road.
Me
Road,
and
you're
Jess
not
are
sure
family.
Jaden
Them
sister.
me are kill as fuck.
But you don't
You
sure
don't like
Jaden
to chat.
sister. Don't kill it so
That's why I never want to come here. Come and talk to dirty Batman like Uno. But talk to real people.
You not hear me.
She have a family with kids. Me have a family with kids.
You not
You
hear me.
understand?
You not hear me.
One text can't break up a family. We have kids. Picnic
more than
need both parents, mother
more than
and father. I
That
don't
more than
argue.
Aye, calm down, man. Listen what me I say.
What wrong with you?
Listen what me I say now. Listen what me I say. Annie me blood clot say. Me no business wet them a cuss board. Annie me say. Annie are my friend. It no matter who
Babe,
different.
but Annie keep on argue with
Yes,
me for no reason. So me now go pick her side. Cause me go look like
so you tell Annie say.
I don't want you to pick my side.
Oh, calm down, Annie. Calm down, Annie. Calm down. Oh, you tell Annie say you not gonna have her back. You make a video about her. What kind of style him? What kind of do that flavor him?
Let me tell him.
Anytime you
Alright, me
drink, it's when you drink. That's where you go on. You need to stop
No,
that.
but listen up. Me know say me that drink. But listen now. Listen, babe. Listen. Y'all listen now.
Yeah.
Annie keep on attack me for no reason. And I don't get it. Me know what me do, Annie. See, me come over here, you know.
You move like a me. You move like a hypocrite. And you cannot move like a hypocrite with Annie there. You have to just know, say, pick your side. You have to pick your blood clot side, you know. So it's either blood clot either.
But the lady keep on attack. Babes, me go over there now, hear me now. They tell me say Annie are coming up, me over there now, and me I say, we are not tapping eyes on Jabass.
If Tiki get look at clothes. Don't tell me that, you know. If Tiki get precise clothes,
let me
no problem.
Yeah, talk,
but
my turn.
Me no want
go
big
over there, guys.
Rosalie in the clothes.
Go over there, and me a beg Tiki and Big C say fi rest Annie. Them a see Annie a trouble, Big C, so Tiki come and come see Big C, cause Tiki say Big C don't have nobody and Annie have a whole tribe.
You can't tell me she
so me go over there now and beg Annie. Annie come over there now, and when Annie left, me no say Annie a win the war. Me say Annie win the war, you know. Then them all say me can't say me fake, Annie
yeah, me hear you say that.
One bag of fuck. Amika fake, because Mika fake your cuss your blood clot, mother. Amika make Annie.
Jabass, you want Jabass, no respect here.
But Mika say me fake.
Jabass.
Over side of the pan.
Jabass, no respect. Yeah, big man thing.
Galang if you want galang, you know, cause you wanted a blood
clot.
Me
access and no, over side of the pan.
Me dey on blood clot rum stripe side right now. Me no give one fuck who want hate me who. Me no care.
My girl.
And he a move like he mad.
That is a.
And he a take TikTok beef too personal.
Allow woman alone.
Me nah allow him alone. Cause I feel up in his ears.
Woman alone.
Galang go cuss him then no? Oh, me not see her cuss him. Go cuss him then. You go cuss her.
No,
and he cuss me. And Jaden, and I would over here fight fear and she cuss we have no fucking reason. So right now she have to fight blood clot Tiki and Big C on her own. That we teach her to stop cuss blood clot people have her back.
Where France now? You don't have nobody back.
Fuck you, you don't have nobody blood clot back either. Cause you not cuss Annie, you know.
Oh. What you mean? Them say, I mean, say, what you doing you here?
So go and cuss my Jabass. Big C a cuss Annie, go and cuss Big C. And go and cuss.
We're gone over there, gone enough of yourself.
So me a Big C and a friend.
Go, that's if you stay neutral, now go and like you swing.
Are you want me for blood clot swing? Cause you come over here content pick side. A Big C blood clot side me the pan. Yes, me the pan two of them side. Cause me a Big C a friend.
No man, a Big C side the pan. A Big C side the pan, alright.
Big C I'm a friend, and Annie I'm a friend, and Tiki I'm a friend. Well, them I'm a friend now.
Annie ain't your friend. Cause if Annie your friend, you gotta do better.
Jabass, you know do better neither. Cause the pan live with Tiki to the toe. I tell Tiki if it done. So don't come over here and try make me look stupid and make me look bad.
I tell Tiki if it done. Yeah.
So me never tell Tiki if it done. Only two hypocritical over here. That's it. No, I was telling Tiki to done too.
Now watch up.
Yes.
But
me tell Tiki if it done.
I be hot what me see over there though. Be hot what can flash your finger.
So it be funny when me don't kill myself.
Let me tell you something, man. Tiki comes to me. When they try to bring me down, so me not this Tiki.
I'm not this Tiki either. I'm not care what nobody wants to say. I'm not this Big C. I'm never this Annie. But at the end of the day, Annie this me. Annie is quick.
Let me tell you right.
Alright, let me tell you something. Jabass, look here. See if you want to vex with me, I don't care. Annie is very quick to curse people that have her fucking back. I had Annie's back and Annie come class.
When you have Annie back?
So when you and Jaden on the phone attack and me blood clot say, if Jaden do that, Jaden is wrong. I never have Annie back there, so.
A difference that I talk about, girl.
It's the same thing. She dissed me for no reason. So at the end of the day, me now gonna dip me mouth in this now because what? The woman gonna turn around and class me again. Me tell the woman so me not defend her and me still go over Tiki and Big C go blood clot beg it out. And over them me go and me a beg Big C and Tiki if it done. And the woman over there class me and me a laugh it off. If you don't know what I want, go watch Bumbleclass screen record and then you come back to me. Can you see your friend? She's not a friend to me. She's a friend to blood clot you, but she's not one to me. You hear?
No, the blood clot woman alone.
Fuck you and fuck blood clot Annie. Fuck you and fuck Bumbleclass Annie.
Lord woman, you're roaming. You cut off and go on. You bring it in.
Bring down bumbo clot. You can't blood clot bring me down. Cause I tell you already, so you don't know fucking nothing about me. And you can't bring blood clot me down. Remember, so you don't come up here because sing on my pussy sweet and tight and everything. You can't blood clot bring me down, not the. So when you have to talk about bring down your biscuit blood clot. What dog, Mandela, Cocomelon looking self, not me. You're right.
I hope you remember every blood clot thing we have to talk to your mouth.
Like Clifford, the big red dog. You can't bring down me. You can't bring me down.
I hope you remember everything. I hope you remember everything we have said. I hope you remember every blood clot thing we have said. And I blame for the rum man.
Come in and argue with you over here, try one. Cause them they bring the one.
Yeah, problem, you.
They go drink my rum and cause every blood clot body tonight. Everybody go get it. Make me see nothing me no like, no?
Well, sit down, pick me.
You go sit down, pick me.
I want blue tea, myself.
I put on my wig right now. You see me ear nice for my head. I come over here, come go like you eat that. You stand there, pick up any of them argument by your head. Annie Sook, are you? I Mr. Eddie, Annie come class, you a problem.
Anybody want class me. I go at me further class and I'm run from blood clot classing.
Annie not a secret for me now. So me not care what Annie want cuss me and say. Me no business, bro. Me not care.
I don't know
if blood clot go on in money. Not even Jabass can't stop me if my blood clot decides to me I go angle anybody tonight. Not even him, me I tell you no. And him know. Cause when me a class, when me a rub, me a blood clot rub. So don't leave me alone, cause me been asleep and me a easy myself. Don't leave me the fuck alone, you hear? Alright. And nobody now come up here come cuss me and me nah go angry me now. Nah go love me.
Yeah, hypocrite, but you don't know if you play hypocrite role.
And me your blood clot woman and me have a fucking blood clot over here pick up your come over here pick up your bumbo clot and here's a fucking Jabass. Don't me disrespect you to hear? Cause me I get serious now, me don't run joke.
Me can't go serious for your rum, man. You can't serious for blood clot me. Go serious for your rum, man. At night.
Me a serious for my rum already. Me a drink
go
it.
Serious for your rum at night, man. I want to you. But serious. Serious for your rum, man. Serious for your rum.
And me have to pick up for. And me have to Annie, your bumbo clot and me have to pick up for.
Me say low Annie a blood clot when I'm not top so.
When that's the fucking Annie a cuss me. Me not see a bumbo clot screen record that you a blood clot tell Annie send a class me so me do you over here.
Big batty man, still not talk to your blood clot nice now.
Alright. Big C, Jabass, come over here, cause me see Annie side, we must have Big C, Jabass. If Annie side, we have, I'm tell him, say, me are your friend. I'm not cuss you, I'm not cuss sticky. I must tell Jabass.
He's crazy.
You want me to cuss you now for Annie?
Yeah, go on, I'm afraid I think you're Big C.
I don't call me name in your mouth. You see me?
Yeah, go on, I'm afraid.
Listen, you don't make a mute blood clot Big C or D. Cause joke you come about, you know. Me not run no joke with the father, you know. Cause me say you go on like I say. Listen to me, Jabass, right, chad lightly.
You ugly fuck.
Blood clot lightly, yeah? Chad lightly.
You favor your hat.
Me not take
you favor your hat. You favor your hat.
No worry what more favor in a night. Chad lightly. You hear me I tell you?
You're not cute.
Me favor something where you eat now.
You're not cute. You're not cute, Salaman.
Something where you eat blood clot now.
I'm not afraid of you, Salaman.
Me favor something where you eat now. You sure you eat and no ticky?
Batty boy, you have to defend me.
No worry about that.
You have to defend me, Batty man. You have to defend me, pussy.
Yeah, the boy you call me no be a serious time.
Which boy that, your man? Answer, girl. Answer mute, girl.
I'm that boy a bad me just feel cute here, yeah. Yesterday I someone come hold me and make short.
I was sweet you, Big C.
Where's it now?
What's sweet me?
Me see your friend that come talk about she a secret. What kind of secret your friend have for blood clot? Me know your friend van now.
Which friend say a secret for you?
You want when I box to it. You want when I box that she a secret for you.
What is scream record?
That's our friend. I will pay my barber.
Guys, let's type F1.
A Big C me attack.
What is scream record there? When my friend said that, you never come over me like this man and I address it already to you.
Remember me no fussy. Remember me no fussy, I'm not frightened. Me no frightened for man. And if girl look good, me tell girl say girl look good. Cause friend girl look good, girl forget compliment.
You hear my friend did I cuss you? Where the scream record there?
What name Sinner?
Oh, so, Ross, wait. Okay, so you did tell the girl that she look good.
No.
When me tell her that, when me tell her that, Big C, hey, D, go in up.
You
Hey,
know
go in
what,
up.
No, you just say from girl look good, you go say girl look good.
No,
Jabass,
me
like
I said no girl can't no. Let me tell you a reason don't time in the night with you. Me say, listen up. If girl look good, ticky, me tell girl say girl look good, that's all the secret they got for me. I mean, no girl, me don't know them sinner.
Oh, you never
look good.
You never
thank you. I don't run a joke. Me no, a boy ticky.
Hey, remember me tell a child lightly. You push it, you know. You saw me respect you every day. You saw me respect every day because you're my friend people, you're my friend man.
Guys, me not argue with Jabass because you are one day. You see Jabass? Jabass now go come over here, come pick up for me. I go always come pick up for him friend them.
Team Annie is what?
Tiki, me not stay say no. Tear me a tear up Annie.
So you not go on to team blood clot and then
Tiki
Jabass.
low, Annie alone, Tiki low, Annie no, brother.
Listen to me, Jabass. Why me must leave Annie alone? Annie na serpent to the app. Annie's a vagabond. When I know this or that, when I know that one next.
Brother, make Big C take him man alone. Let me see how they handle it.
And one of them call me friend one. He come like a flag of Big C for him pussy.
I thought me not beg Big C fuck.
So why you all out the one of them panar one? What you mean by this?
Alright, go and go defend Big C. Go on, Tiki, go on.
Mika must call Annie mama. Annie a defend me, Mika. Big C and my daughter, me a defend him too.
Alright, defend that daughter, mama.
Alright, papa. He miss you, baby.
I want to see you back over here in people's business. Don't mind for your business. Don't mind for your business.
Jabass, I feel really disrespected by how you treating me.
Yeah, go over it. Go over it
like
again.
you don't have my back.
Yes.
Because your friend disrespect me and me don't hear you go to your friend and tell your friend to shut
you're hypocrite. You're hypocrite.
Anything your friend is disrespectful.
Yeah, swing side. You know with Annie. You know with Annie and I want with Paul.
Fucking tell me blood clot now. Can you know a bomb clot? This your place? Just go on, man. Go on there with Annie. Go on there with blood clot. Annie.
With Annie because while we are par, I will we in a dance together.
Go fuck Annie. We don't talk. Go fuck Annie.
Me no shut the fuck. Me no look fuck. Me no look. Me no friend of fuck. I'm money me love. Me no friend of fuck. Me no have fuck. Don't tell me fuck. We are Annie apart. If you not go swing for Annie side, you stay neutral like how me stay neutral. Argument done. You know, hear me cause Big C, you know, hear me cause Sticky. I tell them say no done. But you over there and me go cheer and like I say some pam thing at the pan. When you the pam thing a blood clot with you on the rum stripe. Oh, me know me not cause Big C and me not cause Sticky, me love them. But you over there flash your finger and go on, you love your argument. You just have put me over there.
Me I go right back over there go flash my bumbo clap finger cause and he rang for class me and he said a lot of shit about me and you never come out and tell a blood clot friend that she wrong.
Enough so.
You didn't tell a friend that she wrong for class me?
I'm gonna talk to you about this.
A long time your blood clot friend want class me, long time.
I'm gonna talk to you about this.
A long time she add for me.
I'm gonna talk to you about this.
Long time she want class and a long time she add for me. Me better than everybody. Love me the fuck alone. Go on Annie brother.
I'm gonna talk to you about this already, girl.
Me not care, me don't talk to you. Me say a long time your friend want class me, cause me not involved in this none at all. I'm not involved in it. But every minute she pick up on me. I want what the fuck she take me for soft soap. I wonder if anyone me for real out my blood clot red mat tonight, VR.
Oh, it's happening nice.
Soft soap. Me not tap no nice. Me not tap no fuck nice, Jabass. Me not tap no nice.
Alright.
Long time anyone class me. And you don't call your friend and tell her, say, what do you do yo? Leave blood clot the alone. Other people up on the upper bring you down. World Dog, Tiki, Blood Clot, Big C, Jaden. Look how much people are bringing her down, but me she keep a pick pan. Piwa.
You never tap nice.
Are you not hear me say me not tap?
You not tap.
Are you a draw me out?
No,
me I say you draw me out.
You sure say non-stop. You sure say non-stop.
Let me ask you a question. Me look I'm busy with you and Nina. I'm not busy with one other go.
No, answer me no what you say. You sure say non-stop nice.
Everything good. One disrespect me. Big up yourself. Me don't talk to you.
How me I disrespect you? How me I disrespect you?
Everything good, dog. One disrespect me, bro. Me not nothing else to say about nothing.
Bro.
One disrespect me, dog. Everything good, brother.
How me I disrespect you?
Hello? Have you only want to play one match?
Sure.
I want to listen when you come a Kim, so.
Oh, come here, listen. Me reach one part and I listen. Me tune in for all devices.
Yeah, listen.
50 different live, babe.
Ah, boy. Me nah no luck. Me salt. Boy, me can't have no luck with money, eh?
Mama, I'm looking over the small skin and I'm posing in the over there. She with sees near there.
I'm from a bumbo clock live. I'm gonna have shit, y'all. Somebody block that girl off of my live and tell her to go lick out her head, mama. No, because at the end of the day, me genuinely don't want to argue with Annie, and me keep telling her say, me don't want to argue with Annie, but this woman get up every minute and she keep on and pull me in a way she have going on. And that me keep on and set to her and I don't understand. Me really actually don't. I'm not the type of person where gonna just get up and disrespect somebody because they might disrespect me for no fucking reason. You get where I come from? Me deal with Jabass off the app. Me not have to come over here, come bring down myself with him and disrespect myself with him to make myself look fucking small just to prove a point. So I'll shut the fuck up right here and make him win. Because at the end of the day, man, I'm not gonna come out and make him look stupid on the app just to please somebody else. But at the same time, you see right now, when me come after this, Annie can't send me back a request. She cannot. Because me realize that lady, every single fucking chance she get. And me are the problem. And me the woman attack. All when me not trouble the lady. The lady attack me. All when me not troubling the lady attack me. And Jabass is so blind. Him not look. This is the all when me not trouble Annie a fucking attack me. Me a big see a friend. And Big C been a call me the whole time me over here. Big C a call me and wanna see. And me stay with Annie and me never go over there to Big C. Me stay right there so and me play with Annie. And then me go over there. When I reach over there, what did I say? Me say, Big C and Tiki, you can't allow Annie. Me all over there scream after them. And I say, no allow Annie alone and give Annie a fucking chance. Remember say Annie sick. You can't run up Annie bumbuckler blood pressure so. And that me over there said the whole fucking time. And then Tiki said, eat happiness because shot a go fire. When me look, they had Annie Panny life, them and Annie start cuss. And me start slap my finger and me and say, yeah, go there, Annie, go there, yeah, win. Me never say, Annie, I win the whole time, them argue. The whole time they were arguing, me say, yes, Annie, yeah, win. When Annie come out, me say, blood clot Tiki, you never rehearse for that warrior because Annie win you. Me right or me wrong?
The only reason why Big C called Dee over there was because Annie was playing with Big C and Tiki and Big C wanted to catch Annie to start disrespecting her. That's the only fucking reason why they call her over there, because she was the one who was playing with fucking Annie. And Tiki, I was watching the live. Tiki and something I tell him, say, Adam, Big C have her phone and watch I watch Dee with Annie. That's the only fucking reason, bro. So you as a friend, bro, we say you have a friend back, bro. You don't add them with them because you know, say, cussing a blood clot, go on. Seem like today, Jay didn't talk bad me want me if add him with Big C, I mean not add him. And when Big C say me hypocrite, me say, Big C, if me that hypocrite, me that do this long time, and me add him pan and then jump. Where the blood clot, I shoot. If you never did a play with blood clot, and they would add you. They will add you because them a blood clot Annie over there and they want to catch Annie if you cuss Annie. So that's why they add you. So you should say, Annie, they want me add you know. Me can add them with them or no. Annie will tell us I do it or not. Annie I go tell us I no. See like when Tiki add when me not accept him with Annie. Annie you tap until me say Annie, you add me and me accept him and Annie jump. And me can do that me can jump. Bro. You just enjoy no buckle man. You can't go on. But you know if you make it reach to a level, you know. Bro, I'm tapping this. Annie, any live chat? Annie, any alive? Annie still alive? What I did? They were there up on the live and I good. Me so poor telling them man. Bad. Me so forward man. Bro, a long time there, you know. A long time there, bro. I know when clout trolling, I know when it all go to another level, bro. I tell you, I know when it all go to another level, I know when problem will really come out of it. I know when it all mash up one whole heap of connections or one whole heap of link. I know when it all mash up it, bro. You see me? I'm not going to tell Big C if it done, I'm not tell him if it done, bro. If they want to troll and they want to cuss and go and do their thing, bro. You see me I say? Oh, yeah. I'm not going to tap them for under that, bro. I'm tell us if you go suck your mama in the cafe. What's no way I chat say, yeah? Alright. Bob Clark, Batman. But Annie say me I call him. Tell Annie say me I call him there. Me not tap say Annie, me say I don't give a fuck when I don't want to say. Yeah. And if you want to cuss me one different day or next week, that's how you go. To Annie, I'm a blood clot friend. Oh. Annie, I'm a blood clot friend. Me and nobody else have nothing. Me and everybody good, but Annie, I'm a blood clot friend. Nobody can tell me nothing. Yeah. Me and him there drink off of one blood clot table, driving on one car, laugh on blood clot chat. Alright. And my family, me and my friend. Oh.
Alex, something. What going be? You good, bro?
You good?
Your mama good, man.
Yeah, man. Me I ride with you till it blood clot day done.
Right this song.
Right this song. I'm not busy about nobody. I'm not busy about nobody else. I may drink off of one blood clot table, drive up and down in one car, then in one house, I have a blood clot thing. Me and you are friend.
Yeah.
I don't know nobody else after you, so. Like that. Me know you like that. Me there one place with no part of a days, part of a days. Yeah.
Yeah, bro, love you. If you ever know me rate you and love you here, that me I tell you. No joke. I hold it down, man.
Yeah, man. You hear me?
Yeah.
Done with them, I know here.
Yeah.
Yeah, no run up a pressure. I make no headache take you. I make no miserable life. You speak your mind and you're done with them now. Tomorrow I want new day. Tomorrow you get up and feel like you want to chant your blood clot chant again. But in the night, you don't know them, make them alone talk. If they would hope a blood clot views and again, you play a blood clot match and try me want to go 50, want to go 100, and want to go $20. Yeah?
Come play space with me then. Come play with me.
Come on. You done blood clot tell him your mind already and you don't chant a blood clot already. You understand me? You never prove no point to nobody.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I not tell you so no cuss and I not tell Big C so no cuss. I not tell nobody no we don't cuss. But I say a blood clot Annie me say and I not have say Annie. Me and nobody say nothing but I what me say. I what me there. Yeah.
Right, so respect for that. Thank you, baby.
Look money.